I'm back here with
the
new
e-bike.
bicycle. I told you, Chris, I had an e-bike. Don't believe me? Well, look at me now, you nice guy.
I don't think he's gonna watch this video.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. But Chris is a nice guy anyways.
He is a nice guy. Really nice guy.
Yes, it's been in the shop for like 8 months, but it do not matter. Full 29. Gonna be rolling through all that tech. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, ready?
Yeah. I'm gonna give him some space. Yeah. Oh god.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude, why'd you slow down?
Why's my bike so loud?
What was that?
Holy crap.
Dude, you needled. Do the replay on that.
Dude, that was sick.
Dude, you literally like brought up smoke from the rock.
Dude, look at my pedal. I cracked it.
Really?
I cracked my pedal.
Oh no, you destroyed your pin.
No, look at that. You see the crack?
Oh, wait. Oh,
Yo.
you are an idiot.
Brand new, yo. It doesn't matter.
Hey, no cuss words. We bleep it out.
Oh. Yo, 29 feels nice.
Solid. Learn how to use a berm.
Okay, hot.
Okay, hot.
Nice break, you idiot.
Yeah. I literally spent like 30 minutes cleaning it today.
Okay. When did I ask?
Right now.
Okay.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah. Bang, blah, blah, blah. Ooh.
Dude, I hit my BB.
I thought I was about to hit the
Right bro. There was my sprocket or my bottom bracket. I think my bottom bracket.
How'd you like that smoke screen?
I was too far back. I couldn't tell.
Ah, balls. Oh God! Hiya! Bonk, bonk. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Let's go. What? God damn it. Whoa. I haven't done that trail in so long. Bruh, my hands. All that chunk makes it go numb. How is it? Okay.
Oh my God. W day. What a great day to ride, guys.
For real. Whoa. There's still water?
No.
My heart. Did you see what I did?
Yeah.
Did you like?
Yeah, you popped.
Dude, I felt like I was about to eat. My rear just went in the air so much.
I have to come here with Logan. I'm on brakes, so I have to stop.
Ooh, ow, my foot.
Oh, I come on brakes.
Solid. I know, right? Oh! Ah. Yeah. Oh. What's up, guys?
Yeah, that's a downhill.
Yeah.